Good mythical morning, my fellow rocket engineers. I'm blanking out. Today we're going to be taking a look at a tractor and a trailer, taking a look at all their different components, so let's get to it. Okay, just before we get started, let's go over what we need to cover. The first thing we need to identify is the design of the frame, whether it's a C-channel, a box type, or an I-beam. After that, we're going to take a look at the type of suspension it has. Has it got a solid mount, a leaf spring, or is it on air springs? Are the wheel bearings oiled or greased? We'll take a look at the wheels, the tires, the type of trailer we're looking at, yada yada yada. Keep an eye out for these things because we're going to be talking about them. So we're here at the Calment Volvo Truck Center, and they were nice enough to let me take a look at all of their trucks. So the truck that we're going to be looking at today is the Volvo VNR 300. As you can see, we've got the non-driven steering axles in the front, tandem drive axles in the rear, connected by the driveline and differentials. She also does come equipped with a C-channel ladder type frame, as seen by the flanges on the top and the bottom connected by the web. She's about 1/4 inch thick. This is a channel cross member, reinforced with upper and lower steel gussets. Moving towards the front of the vehicle, it seems like we have a progressive rate leaf spring system with 2 semi-elliptical springs. We've got some rolling lobe air springs in the back. Here we have the shocks to dampen oscillations, and there's our ride height control valve. This is an oiled wheel bearing, identified by the clear hubcap showing us the oil level. Judging by the thickness of the rim, this guy's aluminum. This is also a hub-piloted disc wheel, which can be identified by the 2-piece flange nuts. Taking a look at the tire size, this guy's got an imperial size rating with a diameter of 11 inches, a radial construction, and a rim size of 22.5. Now the max load for these single tires at the front, at about 105 psi when cold, is roughly around 6,200 pounds. And for the dualies in the back, they're at about 5,840 pounds. Tread life is good, as expected, because this is a brand new vehicle. Wheel spacers aren't needed for these particular wheels. This is the DOT. This indicates the manufacturer, factory code, size, and the date of production. Here's the double jaw fifth wheel. It seems to have a sliding mount. I didn't get a chance to capture any footage of the CVIP sticker on the truck, but here's one from the trailer I was taking a look at. This trailer's CVIP sticker expires on the last day of February 2027. So that was just about it for the tractor side of the assignment. Now we're going to make our way over to Imperial Truck and Trailer Repair. This is a standard dry freight trailer equipped with 2 axles in the back end. And here's a typical highboy trailer frame. The frame rails are held together by cross members, which seem to be I-beams. This particular trailer is equipped with slider frames. This allows the wheels and the suspension to be moved forward and backward in order to compensate for varying loads. Here's another view of the frame. This trailer is also equipped with an air spring suspension. When taking a closer look, we can see the rolling lobe air springs, along with the ride height control valve, the shock absorbers, and transverse torque rods. Here's another oiled wheel bearing on a steel hub-piloted disc wheel. Here we can see how the wheel rests on the hub. These wheels are pretty rusty. This is the kingpin and bolster plate, the part of the trailer that connects to the fifth wheel of the tractor. This is a 2-speed, gear-operated type landing gear. Anyways, that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.